What? Like 3 days after the snowstorm, Costco's empty. We don't pull up to the spots, we just park it where we want.
Don't go sliding, Rick.
You stopped? I'm heading into Lowe's. It's going to be 99.9% ivory soap. They don't have rock salt. Let's go home. No rock salt. I knew it was going to be like that. And a big storm coming the next time. I still got, but I want to replace what I got. British Airways. Look at that bad boy coming for a landing. Bump in the middle. An 18-wheeler. He belongs on the parkway with the rest of the passenger cars.
Oh, just think if he went under that underpass, he wouldn't have a roof.
Yep.